Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to be making a giant candy cane gummy bear because we can, and it's so cool for Christmas. I have a ton of gummy bear recipes on this channel if you are new and you don't know. And I made a giant one a couple months ago, and I was trying to think of like another festive gummy bear recipe to do, and I'm like, let's make another big one and let's do it candy cane themed because it would be like the perfect gift or like stocking stuffer or just like centerpiece for any event on Christmas. Like honestly, it's so cool. And with every video this month, there is going to be a giveaway at the end of the video, so make sure to watch to the end so you know what you could win and how to enter. Anyways, yeah, let's get started. So first you want to pour some water and some gelatin into a pot and let it sit for 10 minutes or until the gelatin has developed. Set the pot to medium-high heat and whisk until the gelatin has dissolved. Then add some condensed milk, some sugar, and some peppermint extract and whisk until fully combined. Divide the mixture into 2 bowls and dye 1 bowl red and leave the remaining bowl white. Chill the mixture in the fridge for about 10 to 15 minutes or until it's gloopy and lumpy but still able to be poured. So the reason why we're doing this is because we don't want the colors to mix and like just blend together when we pour it in. We want it to have a marbled effect. So it does set quite quickly because there's like a ton of gelatin in it, but you have to be careful when it's in the fridge because it sets even quicker. So put a timer on, make sure you put a timer on because like you'll forget and then you'll open the fridge and it'll be solid and you like melt it and like do the whole thing over again. So we don't want that. So just like sit by your fridge, go on like Reddit, which is what I did, and like wait until it can be stirred still and poured, but it's like, it has a pretty thick consistency so that like they won't kind of collide. So then what you want to do is kind of pour them both at the same time into a giant gummy bear mold. Link below for the mold if you don't have one. And I kind of just like, I didn't stir them together, but I swirled them as I was pouring to make that little marble effect. Then you just want to pop them in the fridge for about 3 hours at least until it's completely firm. Maybe even overnight if you want to be extra careful. And then to unmold the gummy bear and you are done. So the pack or the set that I'm going to link below comes with a little gift bag, so if you want to do a really cool stocking stuffer, like, that's such a good idea now. I don't know anybody who has the same passion for gummies that I do, so I don't know. Maybe like one day when I'm like filling my boyfriend's stocking, maybe I'll do it. I don't know, he's watching this though, so shoot, he knows. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you like this. Actually, if you do use this mold, you will have a little bit of mixture left over, so you can make mini or like regular size gummy bears with the extra mixture. So you could do like a whole little like centerpiece or like set with like the massive one and then the mini ones next to it. That would be really cool too. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like this recipe, and yeah, let's get into the giveaway. So let me check. I scheduled everything on my phone and I forget. Alright, so in this video you are going to be able to win a Star Wars French press. I think it's so cool. It looks like R2-D2. I don't know Star Wars, but I know that a lot of people like it, so I bought it because I'm sure one of you guys will like it. I've never actually used a French press before either, but it looks so cool, and I love like useful and amusing things that are like combined. So if it's cute and you can actually like use it to do stuff, I think it's like the coolest thing. So yeah, so one person is going to be able to win this, as well as a bunch of Panko Bunny merch. So you're going to win my cookbook, which is called Unicorn Food, and it's full of rainbow recipes. Link below if you want to check it out. As well as a Panko Bunny tote bag and a box of Panko Bunny truffles, because I also have a chocolate shop. So yeah, to enter this giveaway, you're going to have to include the bear face emoji with your entry. And if you want to know how to enter, everything is in the description box below. So definitely check it out. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for an all-new video.